In this video, I wanted to show you real quick how to reset the oil indicator light on a 2021 Ford F-150. What you're going to do, it's a pretty simple process. Right here, you're going to press this menu button. It's then going to display the main menu up on the screen, and you're going to use this up and down arrows to navigate through that. I'm going to press down several times until you get to settings. Once you get to settings, you're going to press the OK button. That'll open up the settings for the vehicle. There's one that says vehicle maintenance. You're going to scroll down to that, press OK on vehicle maintenance, and then to reset the oil life, you're just going to press and hold, and that would reset the oil life on this vehicle. This one had just been done, so I won't follow through with it, but you're going to press and hold that to reset the oil life on the vehicle. If you thought this video was helpful, please give it a like, comment with any comments, subscribe to help us make more videos just like this. Appreciate you watching and supporting our channel.